Class 10 SST development MCQs. Which one of the following is the most important goal of development for many people? High prices, better income, more taxes, industrial growth. The answer is better income. Which of the following does not determine the development of a country? Per capita income, literacy rate, life expectancy, size of population. Answer is size of population. What is the main criterion used by the World Bank for classifying countries? Life expectancy, education level, per capita income, employment rate. The answer is per capita income. Which organization publishes the Human Development Report? HDR. World Bank, WTO, IMF, UNDP. The answer is UNDP. Which country among the India's neighbors has the highest Human Development Index HDI ranking? Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal. The answer is Sri Lanka. What is considered a non-material aspect of development? Income, health, security, employment. The answer is security. Which Indian state has a better human development ranking despite having lower per capita income? Punjab, Haryana, Kerala, Bihar. Answer is Kerala. What does HDI stand for? Human Decision Index, Human Development Index, Human Development Health Development Index, Human Demand Index. The answer is Human Development Index. Which one of the following is a renewable resource? Coal, petroleum, water, natural gas. Answer is water. Which of the following is not included in the HDI indicators? Life expectancy, educational level, per capita income, gender ratio. Answer is gender ratio. Per capita income is calculated in which currency to compare across countries? Euro, pound, dollar, rupee. Answer is dollar. Which is an example of non-renewable resources? Groundwater, solar energy, crude oil, wind energy. Answer is crude oil. Which factor is not considered when calculating HDI? Literacy rate, life expectancy, gender equality, per capita income. The answer is gender equality. Which country is heavily dependent on oil imports due to low reserves? USA, India, Russia, Iran. The answer is India. According to Human Development Report, what is India's rank in HDI as per 2021-22 data? 78, 129, 144, 134. Answer is 129. What is one of the consequences of overusing groundwater? Floods, fertile soil, water scarcity, improved agriculture. The answer is water scarcity. What is used to compare income levels across countries fairly? Real income, net income, purchasing power parity, that is PPP, and GDP. The answer is purchasing power parity, PPP. The concept "we have borrowed the earth from our children" is related to economy growth, sustainable development, HDI ranking, World Bank policies. Answer is sustainable development. Which of these is not a public facility? Education, transportation, sanitation, mobile phones. The answer is mobile phones. Which region in India has shown overuse of groundwater? Kerala, Punjab, Odisha, Gujarat. Answer is Punjab.